Dear students, we are going to talk about three kind of modus operandi in terms of behavioral pattern. Modus operandi means method of functioning. किस तरीके से व्यक्ति अपने व्यवहार में कार्य करता है. अगर हम सभी स्टूडेंट्स को ले ले, we take all the students together, we'll find that they have three kind of working style. One has dominative working style. Dominative means he wants to run his show, he wants to be on the command, he wants to sit on the top seat. That is called as dominative. Then there is another one which is called assertive, where the person is participative but is not desiring to be dominative. एक डोमिनेटिव तरीका होता है, एक असर्टिव तरीका होता है, और तीसरा होता है सबमिसिव, जिसमें वी आर रेडी टू एग्री विद वॉट एवर एवरीबडी सेज. नाउ लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड ईच ऑफ देम. Assertive. What is this assertive? Assertive is a person who participates in their method. They basically are very alert. Where it is required, they speak, and they speak firmly and clearly with examples, with points, with facts, with analysis. They never fear from speaking. If somebody opposes them, they don't oppose the person. They try to create consensus. वो लोग आपस में सामंजस्य बनाने की कोशिश करते हैं, वो एक चीज़ को निर्णय में लाने की कोशिश करते हैं. They try to come to some conclusion, and that is called as assertive. Assertive people is what makes a beautiful world, because they are observant, they are active, and most importantly, they are contributing. They do not fear from contributing. They do not fear from participation. This is called assertive. There are some people who feel that if I will speak, others will oppose, so they don't speak at all. Or if they speak, they think that everybody should agree, then they also tend to be very forceful. So we don't want that. When assertive is like equator, dominative is north pole, and submissive is south pole. अगर हम लोग ये माने कि तीन प्रकार के तरीके में, नॉर्थ पोल हम मान लेंगे डोमिनेटिव मान लीजिए, इक्वेटर मान लीजिए असर्टिव, और साउथ पोल मान लीजिए सबमिसिव. सबमिसिव वाले लोग हर चीज़ से सहमत होते हैं. दे लैक लीडरशिप, दे टेंड टू बी फॉलोअर, दे टेंड टू बी ऑबीडियंट, दे आर नॉट पर्सन हु टेंड्स टू बी डोमिनेटिंग. That is the problem. They don't want to get into any kind of situation. वैसे भी dominating गलत है, पर वो बोलना भी नहीं चाहते. They go to that extreme level. So don't do this. There will be in your group, you will have people of all kinds. You will be able to identify that many of you who are healthy to be selected will be mostly assertive kind. सही समय पे सही चीज़ बोलेंगे. GD है तो GD में एक दूसरे को काटने के लिए नहीं बोलेंगे, अपने पॉइंट रखने के लिए बोलेंगे. दे विल स्पीक फॉर द पॉइंट. सिमिलरली प्रोग्रेसिव ग्रुप टास्क में दे विल नॉट लाइक टू बिलिटिल अदर्स, दे विल लाइक टू वर्क अप अ टीम प्लान. टीम प्लान बनाने की कोशिश करेंगे. ग्रुप प्लानिंग एक्सरसाइज में भी दे विल ट्राई टू ऑब्जर्व एंड गिव सजेशंस कि ये ठीक रहेगा, या ये इसका अच्छा है, या दिस पॉइंट ऑफ दिस पर्सन इज गुड, वी कैन ऐड इट अप. दिस इज व्हाट assertive will do. Whereas dominative will like to say, no, this only will happen. Now that is not done. You have to take the team together. You have to convince people, not force them. अगर आप force करेंगे, you will not be in the right approach. So we have to be assertive. We have to be receptive. अगर हम receptive हैं कि दूसरा क्या सोच रहा है, हमें logical कैसे आना है, तो we will become assertive. They are always logical. Assertives are logical. Dominative tend to say, no, this is it, that is it, final. So that is wrong. If you will do this, you will find that people will not like your leadership. You may think you are a leader, but actually you are not a leader. You are a person who is not being liked by others. Remember, leadership is a mutual agreement, where one, if he speaks, the other agrees. But if you speak and other does not agree, or he feels that you are subjugating the person, you are subduing the person, you are suppressing the person, then automatically it will not be leadership. It will become dominative attitude. So they will not appreciate you. But if you are dynamic in your approach, dynamic माने थोड़ा परिवर्तनशील है, आप थोड़ा एग्री करते हो, थोड़ा अपनी मनवाते हो, मिलजुल के रिजल्ट लाते हो, तो दैट विल बी द बेस्ट अप्रोच. Now there are many people who are submissive, particularly service entry people. You have to come up. When you come up, you sometimes become dominative. Don't do that. When you don't come up, you are submissive. हर चीज में obedience पे आ जाते हो. You don't think, you don't apply. The healthy balance between dominative and submissive is what we are looking for. अगर हम आपको एक situation दे रहे हैं, tell us, so you are supposed to think and tell. And your thinking pattern should be ready. But when you are not speaking, then also, and if the person says, no, I don't agree, and you say, I'm sorry sir, I will also take it back. Now this is submissive. आप अपनी बात लॉजिक बताइए. They are looking at your confidence level where you are able to participate politely. In armed forces, like from my childhood, I learned one thing, that the armed forces officers are ready to listen to every point, provided it is well said. अगर अच्छे से बोला जाए, अच्छे से पॉइंट बताया जाए, it is well said, they are ready to take it, they are ready to take it, they are ready to take it. So remember this, that we are looking forward to that. We are looking forward to your speaking up. We are looking forward to you speaking nicely. We are looking forward to you speaking logically, with facts in mind, with analysis in mind, with futuristic point in mind. That is what we are looking. So remember, assertive is fine. Now in group discussion, if somebody is speaking one point and is not listening to others, or sometimes they are speaking wrong points and they are not listening at all to others, they will be considered bull kind, बैल की तरह माना जाएगा, dominative to extreme core, तो वो negative होगा आपके लिए. So don't do that. So it is very important that you do it nicely, properly. That's it. Is it clear? Not clear? So that is called as dominative. And we want you also not to be submissive. There are many people who are very obedient, very nice people, but they do not come forward. They do not take step forward. They are afraid to say anything against people. That is wrong. For example, in group planning, if somebody has given you wrong plan, गलत plan दे दिया, अब आप लोग से बोला जा रहा है, do you agree? You say you agree. Now this is wrong. This shows that you are all submissive. If there is something relevant, be polite. You don't have to belittle the other. किसी को insult नहीं करना है. छोटी मोटी त्रुटि अगर उस plan में है, तो बोलो sir, this plan is good, but there can be correction in this because this can make the plan better. तो आप उसकी बुराई थोड़ी ना कर रहे हो, आप तो उसमें सुधारवादी सोच है. You are trying to be analytically clear, so you will be considered assertive. But if you say no, nothing, and even if the point is wrong, then that will become submissive. Or if you try to say no, he is totally wrong, and you try to deliberately put your thing wrong. There are some people who do not work for consensus. ग्रुप प्लानिंग में कंसेंसस पे काम नहीं करते, आम सहमति पे काम नहीं करते, और सीधा खड़े हो जाते हैं, हम देंगे कंक्लूजन. Why? Now this is called as bullish tendency. This is called dominative tendency. You are desirous to be a leader, but you are not capable to be a leader. याद रखिए, लीडरशिप में it's a mutual thing. The group should appreciate you as an effective member. आपको एक प्रभावशाली व्यक्ति मानना चाहिए ग्रुप को, तभी आप प्रभावशाली लीडरशिप के लिए माने जाएंगे. You don't get a position just because you're wearing a dress. You are getting the position because you have the quality to handle the dress, to handle the uniform, to handle the dignity of the post. So remember, you have to wake up to that. I hope I have made you understand the difference between assertive, dominative and submissive. You all need to understand by these small talk shows which I am trying to come up with different concepts which will help you become a very complete person. God bless you. Get selected in the armed forces or in your life also. If you become assertive, right with an alertness every time, you will never have a spoiled relationship anytime. But if you will become submissive for any reason, that can be emotional, that can be melodrama, that can be because of some kind of threatening, because of some kind of foolish disorder, this will be harmful for you. But if you become very dominative, then there will be possibility that people will be having a spring behavior. Spring behavior means वो suppress हो जाते हैं, तो फिर they tend to oppose you, they tend to rebel you, they tend to revolt against you. Every time you tell somebody, keep shut, let me speak, then what happens? The person feels insulted. And over the period of time, many of you, if you will insult many numbers because of this behavior, you will end up into deep trouble. So remember, you don't have to be dominative, you don't have to be submissive, you have to be assertive, and that is the best approach for the Armed Forces SSB. Also for your lifetime, always keep alert, talk rightfully, talk logically, talk wisely, and talk for everyone, not only yourself. Hope you have understood. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.